Very good, my YouTube people. Today we are going to be drawing Goku and Milk. I was actually going to draw Milk, but I know if I don't draw Goku, this video is not successful. So today we are going to be drawing Goku and Milk step by step with a simple pencil. We start by drawing two circles to which we are going to make these subdivisions to know where the characters will be looking. Once we have this, we can begin to detail. Like I always say, let's draw the eyes. In my case, I am right-handed. I was going to be confused that we started with the left eye. To have a reference of the right eye, here we're going to leave approximately this distance, which is more or less one eye more or less, and we draw this part like this. Here I realized that Goku's face was going to be very big, so I decided to reduce it a little bit. But pay attention, don't stress. Here we do your nose. And the mouth, very glued to what the nose is. By the way, if you want to be sending me your drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page. They are appearing up here, or Goku's characteristic stripes have already appeared. And now let's draw the face. I made it smaller to make it look kawaii, prettier, cuter. This way, I see it very well. Let's draw the ear. By the way, 2 Dragon Ball objects will be hidden in this video. If you can find them, comment the location of said objects in the comments box below. Apart from all that, he comments, what other character do you want me to be drawing for the next videos? Now yes, let's begin to detail what hair locks are. Thus, this is really easy if you want to be drawing Goku, really easy too. On this your channel, there is a tutorial video explaining how to draw Goku, and in fact, there is a video explaining how to draw Goku in all his transformations. The video lasts approximately 1 hour, but you can jump and look for the specific Goku you want to draw. For example, do you want to draw Goku? Super Saiyan Andres. You go to that time and you draw everything nice good. Now we are going to begin to detail what the locks of Goku's hair are, which is the most characteristic thing about this character. Okay, now we're going to start drawing what Mika's eyes are. We're going to do this figure and the eye. Mika's eye will be bigger than Goku's because female characters have that characteristic practically in most anime, be it Dragon Ball, Naruto, or any generic anime. Okay, now let's draw this shape for him. As I always say, the nose is not full of what is between the eyebrows, but rather has a certain distance, and the mouth is very close to the nose. The rest consists of adding shape, which is the face, the ear, and finally, we are going to make her little mouth look round just like she is surprised. Yeah, to make it look more than cool. Now let's form what the face is. And once we've formed what the face is, we're going to start with the hair, and that would be pretty much everything. The tutorial had a desire to draw milk because there were several of you who were asking me or telling me to draw milk, but I know that if I do it alone. Unfortunately, the case is not going to be as successful as the video, so let's draw Goku eat milk. Nothing, my people, God bless you. If you want a specific drawing, comment below. If you want to send me those drawings, you can do so on my Facebook page, and may God bless you until the next video. Bye bye, editor Epic Music, please.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good